Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: plugged-in devices, correct ports, and updated drivers. First, open sound settings and set your main playback device as default so Windows routes audio correctly. Once done, disable system enhancements to avoid automatic processing that can color sound. You do this now because hardware and routing issues are the most common causes of poor quality. Fixing them first saves time later. Make sure volume levels aren't clipped and note the current app volumes before continuing to adjustments. Next, you tackle drivers and detailed settings to improve fidelity. Update or reinstall the audio driver so you have the latest bug fixes and codecs. Device Manager handles this quickly. Then open the device's advanced properties and choose a higher sample rate and bit depth, like 24-bit, 48,000HC, to reduce artifacts if your hardware supports it. Once adjusted, test audio with and without exclusive mode because some apps need it while others suffer from it. This tells you which configuration yields the cleanest playback. To finish, validate changes by playing a high-quality test file and switching between apps to confirm consistency. Run the built-in audio troubleshooter to catch leftover configuration or service issues and make sure your app volumes are balanced. If you still hear distortion, roll back the driver to the previous version or re-enable/disable enhancements to isolate the culprit. One key troubleshooting tip: if sound worsened after an update, use Device Manager to roll back the driver. That often restores stable, expected audio behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.